Hello, and welcome to My Low Country Living. I'm Tommy Ray. Today I'm going to make one of my favorite dishes. This is roasted red pepper hummus. Now it's really easy to make. You can literally make this in just about 5 minutes, so it's super quick and it's a great snack to have on hand. The ingredients are pretty simple. We're going to start with 1 can of chickpeas, a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, a 1/4 cup of tahini, 1 clove of garlic, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of cumin, 3 tablespoons of water, some paprika as garnish, and 1 red pepper. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we have our roasted red pepper right here, and we just laid it on a cookie sheet that's covered in parchment paper. And we're going to just go ahead and take the red pepper, and we're going to cut it, remove the insides, and cut it in half. Right, like that. And I'm going to add the garlic to it right there. And then we're going to put this in the oven on broil. And we're going to let it broil for just a couple minutes until we start to see some bubbling on top of the red pepper and a little bit of browning. Okay. Now I'm putting this on the middle rack so it doesn't have as much direct heat as if you put it on top. That way I can observe it with the light on to make sure that it doesn't burn. Okay. So here we have our food processor, and the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in the lemon juice and the tahini. And the purpose of doing that is to get the lemon juice and tahini to mix up ahead of time and kind of get it whipped. That way we have a nice creamy hummus. Okay, so here's my can of chickpeas that I've rinsed the chickpeas off, and I'm going to go ahead and just dump it into the processor with the rest of my ingredients. So in goes the chickpeas, the olive oil, cumin, and the water. We'll go ahead and give this another mix again real quick. Okay, so our red pepper is roasted for about 3 or 4 minutes. You see the parchment paper is browned up a little bit there, but it's fine. We're going to throw that away anyway. The red peppers have a nice little roast color on the top of them. They're soft and self-steamed, and the garlic is cooked as well. So we're going to throw these into the food processor now. Go ahead and mix those on high. Yum, that's all mixed in there. So now I'm going to go ahead and move this over to a bowl and we can serve it. Before we serve it, we're going to go ahead and put on a little bit more olive oil there just as a little garnish. And sprinkle it with some paprika. And that's ready to serve. Okay, so we got some pita bread here, and we're going to go ahead and take the hummus and just rip off a piece of pita bread and give it a taste. Fantastic. There's nothing like homemade hummus. You are going to love this. Enjoy. Thanks for joining us today on My Low Country Living as we made roasted red pepper hummus. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. Thanks.